So here we have a rechargeable LED cordless desk lamp, table lamp. It's made out of aluminum, it's dimmable, and it's switchable for indoor and outdoor lighting purposes. It's fully rechargeable and especially sturdy, but yet lightweight enough to be mobile and moved about pretty easily. It's touchable dimming, meaning you press the power button on the top and it turns it on and off, and if you hold it, it dims the light, and when you reach the appropriate light level, you just take your finger off the button. It has built-in high-performance rechargeable batteries and can be used when it's fully charged for about 16 to 24 hours. Comes with a 47-inch USB charging cable and also can be used while charging. It's great for outdoor tables. It has IP54 protection level, so you don't have to worry about water getting into the lamp. Now this is a great product for restaurants, cafe, bars, dining tables, even a bedside lamp, outdoor, courtyard lighting. It's also a good gift. But what it's great for is that romantic dinner just for two, and it will set the mood. And it's not easily knocked over because this product weighs a hefty 2 pounds. So shaking a table will not hinder it and it will not fall over.